If raising your rates by $10 or more sounds like crazy pants, then it's a good chance that you are probably underpricing your worth. You see, I've noticed in my coaching that there's a pattern that goes on with dog sitters and dog walkers and people who do dog boarding or daycare at their home, whatever it is you do. If they're raising their prices and they only do it by a few bucks, chances are they're already underpricing their services. Because underpricing our services when we first start out is super common, right? We want to get customers in. We want to be a bargain. We want to start proving ourselves. We don't have a lot of confidence, maybe, in the value that we offer. We don't even understand the value that we offer yet. So often we underprice our value, our worth right out of the gate. Once we realize we need to increase our rates, then we realize how much more we really need to increase our rates in order to make a sustainable living and business and pay our bills and the whole nine yards. However, as soon as we come to that realization, all of the fears start flooding in. Fears of overpricing ourselves compared to the market, fear of losing all of our current customers, fear of never getting new customers, fear of people thinking that we're greedy. And all this does is perpetuate the never ending feast or famine and burnout cycle, which never ends well. I can tell you that I see at least 2 to 3 people posting in various groups online every single week how they are giving up their dog sitting or dog walking business because they just can't do it anymore. So if you're only raising your prices by a few bucks, do yourself a favor and go back to my previous episode and have a listen, because that is where I dive deep on how to set your prices the right way so that you don't regret it and have to wait another year or 6 months to raise them.